What is up, guys? It's Troy at the Full Setup, back with another unboxing video, and this one I have been really excited to have. I mean, there's some really cool things coming out with the run up to Christmas, you know, things I'm massively excited for the channel. So with the new RTX graphics cards, AMD Big Navi, new Ryzen CPUs, probably even going to get a new Xbox or a PS5 as well. I mean, there's a lot of money to be spent this Christmas and lots of gadgets to add to the desk and stuff, but this one super excited about, because let's say you already got all of those gadgets, right? You built yourself your nice little gaming setup and now you want some cool things to put on your desk, right? Now this right here, this is probably one of the best things you can get under £100. So this is by a company called Divoom. I think it's called Divoom, and this is the D2. And Divoom make loads of Bluetooth speakers, but over the last sort of couple of years they've been getting into what you can see on the front here, sort of pixel art devices. I mean, this does so much stuff. That's why we're doing an unboxing today, because I don't even know where to start with the review. Okay, this little thing costs 70 quid. Super well wrapped. It's a Bluetooth speaker. Said it does pixel art. They also sell sort of like just panels that can do all the pixel art as well. It's all app controlled. You can create your own, but there's like hundreds and thousands of things that you can pick from. I hope it's hundreds of thousands and not like 10s or 20s, but I think it's a lot. From the videos I've seen, I think it's a lot. I mean, it also does games. You've got, oh, what else does it do? Loads of stuff. Let me just look here behind me. Pixel art creation, professionally tuned speaker, just loads of stuff. Internet radio, Bluetooth. You can put memory cards in it. It's £60. This, it's cool. Look at it. It's just an unboxing experience. But it looks like a little computer. Oh, I'm really excited about this. Let me just get my screen so I can see it. I'm testing something different today as well, actually. I've got a pencil condenser microphone pointing straight at me. That's why I can't really move, sort of stand. You can't see, but I'm sort of having to stand here because it's like a super cardioid. Wow. Wow. Look at it. Oh, wow. Oh. And did I forget to mention they're mechanical keys. Let's pull this plastic off it. Oh my god, they do this in a wide range of colours as well. I was really struggling between the white and the mint green, and I sort of wish I went with the mint green. I really do like the white. Oh, look at that peel off. And see, that's the sort of green that they do it in. Oh wow. Can these come off? Oh yeah, they're blue switches. I mean, these keys are just, I don't know if the mic's going to pick that up. You got the screen on the front here, so it's like 16-bit. Ported at the back here, it's a 10-watt speaker. They also do a bigger one as well that looks like sort of like a mini TV. And on the side here, that's my only con just when I was looking at images of it. There is focus, a USB port, the on-off switch, and the micro SD thing. Now, this does have battery. I think it goes up to about 10 hours. I may be wrong there. Oh, just loving all this. What else we got in here? But I would have loved to have seen the power on the side. So we get some pixel art stickers as well. Then there is a manual, which is big. Honestly, it's probably one of those you want to read because it does loads of things. I think it's got games on it as well. I've seen a lot of these on Instagram. I've wanted one of these for ages. This is going to look awesome on my desk. There's a little speaker. Would have liked to have seen a 3.5 audio jack on there as well. And then you get this nice sort of braided, oh, it's Type C as well, Type C USB charging cable. Should we just turn it on and see if anything happens? Does it come with charge? Oh, here we go. I don't know how much of that you're going to be able to hear. So we've got games. What do we go? Volume. Like I said, this is just really just a quick unboxing. You can see all the little pixel arts going off there. I'm going to customize it all with all the app. It does so much stuff. I mean, this is just, it's just awesome. I mean, I haven't even reviewed it yet, and I don't even know if I'm going to use it as a speaker that much. And I've been sent it. But would I pay £60–70 for one? Damn right I would. I mean, my girlfriend's a massive geek as well. She's going to struggle when she sees this. I'm probably going to have to get one for her. So I think that one does all the pixel stuff there. God, I don't know. I'll have to figure all these little buttons out. Oh, cool. Ah, Tetris. Oh, nice. Oh! Oh, God. Oh, God, I haven't played Tetris in a while. Yeah, I'm messing this one up. Oh, no, it's sort of got a bit of lag there. You see that? I wasn't even doing stuff then. Terrible, terrible Tetris player. But there we go. Oh, I'm back stuck in Tetris again. I'm going to have to figure it all out, but initial impressions of this little thing. Ooh, it's so pretty. Yeah. Just go out and buy one. Anyway, I'll be back with a review on that in a few weeks. Like I said, I just want to figure it all out, see what it all does, and then, yeah, let me know what you think. Would you be interested in one of these? Or if you got any of the other Divoom products, let me know how you've been getting on with them.